Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of PrestaShop Marketplace Seller Badge. In this tutorial, I will explain you how the store owner can create various badges and assign those badges to the sellers according to their performance on the marketplace. The badges assigned to the seller will be displayed on the seller product pages and shop page. Now let's see how this extension works, and for that I am taking you to the admin's back office. After the installation of PrestaShop Marketplace Seller Badge module, a new tab Manage Seller Badges gets added under Marketplace, from where the store owner can add multiple badges. Click here to add a new badge. Under Add New Badge tab, admin has to specify the badge name, badge description, and upload the badge image. After filling the required details, click here to save. After creating the badges, admin gets redirected to the listing page, from where he can view a list of the badges. Admin can enable or disable the badge by clicking here. Admin can also edit the badge details by clicking on the edit button. After adding the badges, admin can now assign these badges to the marketplace sellers. Go to the sellers tab under the marketplace. Under seller profile, click on the edit button. A new tab, Seller Badges, has been added on the Edit Seller page, from where admin can assign badges to the seller. When admin clicks on Add New Badges button, a pop-up displaying all the available badges gets displayed on the screen, from where admin can assign badges to the seller. Click here to select the badges. After selecting the badges, click here to add. Now we can see that these two badges has been assigned to this seller. Admin can also enable or disable the display of these badges to the customers from here. Click here to save. After assigning the badges to the seller, let's have a look at the front end. Badges assigned by admin to the seller will be displayed on the seller product page and shop page.